Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are interested to know few topics of the chapter Light of class 10th. We had already studied about the spherical mirrors. There are two type of spherical mirror. One is called as concave mirror, another is called as convex mirror. So the image formed by the different mirror have different rules to form the image. One of the major condition is that the incident light is coming from which place. So first we have to consider the rule, then we will see the image formation in the various cases. So we have rules for image formation in the spherical mirror. Say first our mirror is concave mirror. We already know about concave mirror. It is something like this shape. It is polished from outside and the curved surface have the reflecting surface. So we will say 4 different cases where the image formation can be take place, or the rules which are very much governing authority to form the image. So first case is that when light ray is coming from infinite and parallel to principal axis. This is the case. The light is coming from infinite and it is parallel to the principal axis. Then we have to see what is the nature of that light after the reflection from the curved mirror. So this is our concave mirror. We will discuss about the convex mirror later. First we have to see the in case of concave mirror. So the light is parallel to principal axis. This is our principal axis. This is called as pole. So object is at infinite. So the rule says that after the reflection from the curved surface, the light will pass through a point called as focus of the point. Remember that you need to mark the arrow. Without arrow, the rule is or diagram is totally incorrect, and you will also lose half marks on the basis of missing arrow cases. So first we had already gone through that when the light ray is coming from the infinity and parallel to the principal axis. After the reflection, light will pass through the focus. Now consider the second case. When light ray means incident light. Light ray is passing through focus. So let's see what happens if the light ray is going through focus. Then what is the effect of the ray after the reflection? So we have to again a concave mirror, and the condition says that this is principal axis, say this is focus. The light ray is passing through the focus. So mind the arrow. After the reflection, it will get parallel to the principal axis. Every light ray which is passing through the focus will get parallel to the principal axis after the reflection from the concave mirror. So these are the 2 rules. We have 2 more rules for the same. Let's try them out. Third case, when incident light ray passes through principal axis, that is principal focus, here say center of curvature is the condition, center of curvature. So have a concave mirror, have a principal axis, say this one was focus and this is center of curvature, say. So if the light ray is passing through center of curvature, this one is incident, the reflected path will be same as that of the incident path. there is no change in the path. The light ray is going in that way and light ray is coming from the same path. So this is the third case. So fourth, when incident light is falling on pole of mirror. So this is last case. We have concave mirror and this is a principal axis. This is called as pole. So if the light is falling on the pole, the result will be, it will deflected with the same angle as that of the incident. So this angle is equal to that angle. So alpha and alpha, both the angles are same. So we had gone through 4 rules. First, when the light ray is parallel to the principal axis, it will pass through the focus. Second, when light ray is passing through the focus, it will get to the parallel to the principal axis after the reflection. Third case, when the light ray is going through center of curvature, it will reflect to the same path. Then we have fourth case, when the light ray is on the pole of the mirror. So we have the same angle formation as that of the incident angle. So thank you for this lecture.